Getting an emotional
Give people a hug.
Oxytocin is a very interesting neurotransmitter that gets us to basically have higher social coordination and care more about other people. And now ask yourself, how much of your job, or anybody's job, is the thought that we have is end of year bonus versus the thought of the year is what do other people expect from me? What are the people around me? How do I facilitate that? And then this idea of complete and incomplete contracts, right? So if you really rely on the goodness of my heart, what would get me to be a bit more interested? Is it something that is delayed? No. It is something in close proximity. It's something about the people around me. There's lots of wonderful ways to get people to care more. Money is one of them, but money is often not the most optimal one. And it's kind of a shame because if you say, let's structure the enjoyment of people with money and other types of incentives, everybody could benefit, right? You could get people to produce more and be happier at the same time.
The world's first fully